signed up. Go sign up for what's it called? I'm gonna see if we can make.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing, man? Can you guys hear me?
Get onto the live stream in time. Shit, Sam.
Let me see. Get this music on.
Whatchamacallits do not have pistachio.
What am I doing?
Turns out, so
Whatchamacallit? Yeah, remember those commercials? Oh my god.
yes.
India. Here we go.
Oh my god. What? That is crazy. I just remember that commercial. Yeah, because you're 25.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Mic check, mic check.
Thank you. Today you wake up. Today that is. Yeah, cool step today. Not that related. Even though we got a bit of cold today, but the topic stuff was just all apart today. Get the well. We're gonna live forever. Marty, do you want to come up and you can't come up to chat about something or?
I was gonna say something about the new guy.
Not chocolate, it's vermicelli, it's not pistachio.
I was.
Is it really fake chocolate stuff? I don't know, man. I'm gonna start shutting people off. I'm gonna give a shit how people fall down.
All right, okay, guys, doing okay. I'm gonna start showing a couple of minutes. Let me open a couple of things up here. Hope you guys doing all right. Happy Monday, as usual. We're back for another show. I think Mondays will be definitely a set show, right? I think definitely. I think my schedule's really clean on Monday. We're definitely going to do the show on Monday. So let me just follow that. There we go. One second. Here's what's going on here.
We needed to just make a little intro about it because the thing is, he was out or she was out bidding herself. So he was in top position, but he kept bidding. You know what I mean?
Got it.
So he lost a bit there.
When's the next one? 7:15?
All right. Okay. All right. We'll start this show in a couple of minutes. I'm just trying to make sure I got my everything set up here. You guys doing okay? Happy Monday to you all as usual. Definitely Mondays is a set day. I'm just trying to figure out the other days, trying to make sure we have this show on every day, but difficult to do that with busy with the kids and all that stuff. But definitely Monday is set day. I'm gonna figure out the other days though. We're definitely gonna do that. So let me open up the other pages here real quick and we'll start the show. So I did take on some trades, man. I did put a trade in. Like I don't trade every day, but if you do get a big drop, especially on a daily time frame, then I would put a trade in. But I did put a trade in earlier. My entry was like 76 something. I think I missed the shorting. I guess let me just open this video real quick, and we'll start the show. Let's see, ChatGPT, and open up the base. As you guys know, I use my AI, the AI live trading dashboard I created to help me trade. I use this to give me entries, exits, kind of gives me an idea of where I should take my my wins and losses and all that stuff. So I normally I'm pretty active with using the AI to trade, man. So yeah. So let me share my screen real quick. Share screen. There we go. There we go. Okay, it's coming up in a second. So it's a beautiful thing, man, having an AI that basically gives you entries, exits, and the win rates is pretty good, especially for the higher time frames. I would say that. I think most people, probably even me, I used to trade the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes. No, that wasn't a good idea. You know what I mean? This is way, way, way better. Trading the high time frames is way, 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 way better. So all right, let's look at the chart real quick and see what we're looking at here. Share my screen. Here we go. All right, cool. Let me make sure my video is showing. I should make sure we're up on the video here. 1 second. There we go. We're good. All right, cool. All right. Right now we got we are in a current buy zone, guys. This is the 4-hour candle. I don't trade 15 minutes, 5 minute. No, I usually look for dips and I just put a long in, right? And or if it pumps too hard, put a short in. I did miss this short earlier. I think I wanted to see if we close above 80. What we did. I think we wicked to 80. We wicked to 80,000 and went all the way down to like 70, 76. But I missed a dip here. But as you can see, this is how you know like best way to trade, right? When you know what your supply zones are. Your supply zone is where whales are shorting. Massive shorts between, this is the 4-hour candle, so massive shorts between 78,770 all the way up to 80,000. I think we touched 80,000. I think, or maybe 79.5. So you could have had your limit shorts already set, and boom, you got this little short, got this nice little dump right here. But as of right now, we're actually currently in a buy zone on the 4-hour. So we're inside the buy zone. The buy zone right now is from 76,742 to 77,055. So the price is right now at 77,028. So I do have a trade on right now. You can't see it because I am using my other I'm using the other browser. I can't show you guys, but I'm up okay, not bad. Let me see, where is it? Yes, I'm up about 1.8% right now on my trade. If my take profits, I think my entry, okay, no, 1 second. My entry was, let me see. I wish I could show you this stuff. It doesn't work on Google Chrome. I don't know why. Let me try again. Let me try again. I don't think it will work. Let me try again. I use Infinix to trade. I used to use Avantis. I use Infinix to trade. Decentralized platform. And I mean, I like it, but for some weird reason, it doesn't work. Now let me delete. Coach or Pals, whatever it is. Let me see. Download this. Let me see if this works. Delete. Let me see if this works. But this stuff does not work at all. I don't know why. Let me try again. I want to show you guys what I'm doing, but yes, my entry was like 75 something. I'm up about 1.8%, little gain, but because remember I'm trading a 4-hour time frame, so my take profits I think it's like 80K or something, or 81. So if it does play out, that'll be a nice little gain there. So trading the 4-hour candles, right? As you guys know, your take profits might not hit for a couple of days or a week or 2 weeks possibly. So we'll see. But like I said, I do have a stop loss. I made so many mistakes when I was actively trading. I said I was never going to do that again, where I'm trading without using stop loss. I'll never do that again. It's just way too risky. Yeah, it's not. Is it working? Let me see. And there's something weird going on. Oh, wait. It might work. Let me see. Perps. Hope it does. Let's see. Perps. Let's see if it works. I don't know. If it doesn't, I'll just move on. It's okay. It's not a big deal, man. I'm not sure why Google Chrome doesn't work with my this one website. It's very weird. Very, very weird. But okay, no problem. Yeah, man. So guys, so right now we're currently in a buy zone for the 4-hour time frame. So if you taking a short right now, I guess might be good. This is a 4-hour. We'll see what happens though. But my trade is I am taking profit. I think my take profit is at 79,187. If that does hit, I'm going to be up 16% on my money. We'll see what happens. Right? It's not guaranteed. It's gonna happen, but we'll see. Yeah, man. So for now, I'm up. I can't complain. We'll see what happens. Let's see here. So, like I said before, you know, I would definitely like you guys to focus more on using the higher time frame to trade, man. Hey, Justin, what's up, bro? Jim, how you doing, man? Using the higher time frames to trade because it's more accurate, right? And hey, Justin, let me ask a question. Have you tried the AI tutorial I gave you guys to try it, the trading, creating your own live dashboard? Have you tried it? For you guys that don't know what I'm talking about, I'm sure a couple of you do. I created this thing. It's free. It's supposed to help people trade and all that stuff. So let me see. I created this live trading dashboard a couple weeks ago, and I've been using it so far. It's been very, very good. It gives you everything. It tells you when to buy, when to sell, add different time frames, use all kinds of indicators. It's all AI, beautiful, right? I don't know. Just let me know. Have you tried it yet, bro? I'm very curious, man. But I'm gonna open up real quick for you guys, man, to see if you guys. So I'm going back to my Twitter page real quick and see if anyone's listening that hasn't done that yet. Let me know. All right, so let me go back up here. I think I tweeted it. Where is it? And I do have some alpha for you guys too, man. I got some alpha for you guys. Where is this thing? I think. Hey, right here. Here we go. So this is it right here. You just scroll through my Twitter page and you can see it. So it's right here, guys. Okay. Come on, man. It's just slow. I apologize. And sometimes it just takes a while to load up. The VPN does act up sometimes. So just give me a second, guys. Wow, this is slow, huh? Holy moly, what's going on? It shouldn't be this slow. So this AI prompt is free. You just create an account with your email, and that's it. And I have the prompt for you guys. Just copy the prompt, paste it on that website. It creates your own live trading dashboard for you, and it will look like this. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. And everything you need is all here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna refresh real quick. But yeah, this is the app right here, the website, right? It's called app.base44.com, and it creates your own live trading dashboard for you. And you can use this to input your stop loss, your take profit 1, take profit 2. It gives you so much information, man. This is ridiculous, man. So this is what it looks like. So I'm on the 4-hour time frame right here, and it gives you everything. You see right here, you see it. It tells you where your stop loss is or take profits, whatever. It tells you when things are oversold, when there's a bullish and bearish. It gives you all this. Look at the time frame. It tells you the 15-minute time frame is a sell. The 1 hour is a buy. 4 hours a buy. 1 day leaning sell, 1 week leaning buy. It's a whole bunch of information all the way down, right? And it also does a back test for you. It's just amazing. I did this for free. It didn't cost me anything. All freaking free. So let's go back. So here we go. This right here. So if you go on my Twitter page and just scroll down, I've already retweeted this. I'm sure a couple of you already have tried this already. But let me know, man. If you guys have any kind of questions or issues, let me know. So this is all the information you need here. This is all you need. All you have to do is click this link. It's free. This is not a sponsor ad or whatever. I'm giving you information for free, okay? Use this link right here. Once you create your account, your email, copy this entire prompt, paste it in the bottom left corner on the website. And once you finish, this is what it's gonna look like this. This is what it'll look like. And because of this, I haven't, to be honest with you guys, because of this, I haven't lost a trade yet. Ever since I started trading with this, I'm right now my trade's currently up 2.3%. But like I said, guys, what I'm doing is I want to build such a strong confidence in my trading that when I put a trade in, I'm pretty confident I'm gonna win. And so far, I haven't lost yet with this using this. But I'll say also because I'm using the higher time frames, right? It tells you the accuracy. Like for example, now I'm trading a 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour is a 57% confidence in this trade and a 52% win rate on this trade. Yeah, 52%. So it gives you, it's amazing. That just go to my Twitter page. Like I said, it's here for free. It's here for you guys. This is the prompt right here. This is the prompt. You go to the website, click on the link, copy this entire prompt, post it on the bottom left corner. It creates your own live trading dashboard, and you could alter this however you want. You can alter it. You can alter this based on a lot of things, right? Whatever you want, right? You could do this to your own liking. You could add some indicators. You could take some stuff out. Whatever you want, you can customize it to your own liking. This is just a starting point, right? So yeah, man. So I've been using this stuff for a bit, and so far, I haven't lost yet. Hey, Crucifixion, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? Just us, Crucifixion. You guys are always on the show. I appreciate you guys always. Definitely, I hope you guys are taking advantage of this alpha I'm giving you, this trading thing. Try it out. You could use any dollar value. Just try it out, because I think after a while you're going to be so good at this that you might be able to make a couple $1,000 a month, every month, or more, or per day. Who knows, right? But so this is the AI platform I've been using. And so far, like I said, it's been working wonders for me. I'm up 2.4%, whatever. We'll see what happens. But my take profit is at 79,187. Even if I don't get the exact number, what I could probably do is, if we break 78K or we break 78.5, I could just start taking profits in between, or just lock some profits, right? But for now, I'm gonna leave it. And like I said, to protect myself, I have a stop loss at 75,000. So if Bitcoin goes 75,000, I'm going to lose a little bit, right? But like I said, you trading with your stop loss. Don't be a hero. Yeah, man. So let me go back here. And like I said, guys, I do have some alpha for you guys. Some meme coins I've been buying, man. So lately. So let's go back to, and I also recommend, right? What I like to do this just to get some more information. So when you create your live trading dashboard, right? You have your numbers in, right? Okay, so you want to take a trade in. I also recommend basically using ChatGPT, right? So I had my entry earlier and I asked ChatGPT, what does it think about my entries, right? And they gave you more information. So just give me more information of to justify what I'm doing, to give me more confidence. So I think Bitcoin went to like 70, like low, like 76 whatever. But I think I entered like at 76,004, I think, or 5. So what I did was I went to ChatGPT and I said, Bitcoin price is currently 76.5. I now asked ChatGPT, what are the whales doing and what is smart money doing? And he just broke down a whole bunch of things for me. And when I read that, like right here, right, this is what I did. It says this decision time. Let me see. 4-hour trend is still bullish. So basically, it gives you a scenario, right? It's a 60% chance. It gave me a 60% chance that Bitcoin would dip, which it already did. It dipped almost below 76. Then go up from there, right? So a 60% chance that happens, and you probably have to go long, right? So basically, entries between 75.5 and 76,000 is it good? I got 76.4, so that's fine. So it gives you stop loss, all that stuff, and a 25% chance. 25% chance Bitcoin goes below 75K. And it gives you entries and exits, all those things, right? And a 15% chance we get a straight breakout, no dip. So basically, right, just break above 80K. That's 50% chance. Yeah, man, this is just awesome. It says what smart money is doing right now. They are waiting for 75,000 reaction to defend that's a high liquidity zone. So if you feel like you missed the trade, you don't have to jump in right now. You could wait for a pullback to 75K or set your short at 80K, right? Yeah. Let me see. So it says highest probability we sweep below, then bounce consideration. We kind of swept below a little bit, very, very close to it. Yeah, so I saw this earlier, and so that gave me the confidence to take that trade when I saw ChatGPT give me that information. And also, I also saw this right here. This is my account and trading view. I used this indicators on trading view. It's called liquidity sweeps, and to check for liquidity. So every time the price goes into red zone, liquidity gets swept and we get that. We dump down. So you see the wick. We had a wick into 79, almost 80K, and look at our dump down. And now look what happened. We dumped back down to a very strong buy zone here on a 4-hour candle. So when I saw that the red candles are in my buy zone, that gave me the confidence to go long even more. So all these things I'm using is free. It's free. So you take advantage of all this information to help you win your trades, man. That's what I'm doing. I'm using AI like crazy. And I don't trade every day anymore. No, I've had 2 trades in like 3 weeks. Actually, I closed the 2. I only have 1 now. I have 1 active trade, and that's it. Just 1. And I'm gonna wait and see how it plays out. But nothing's guaranteed, of course not, right? You learn from your mistakes. If you lose, you learn why you lost. And I believe that trading the higher time frames, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, those time frames are better for me, right? It just makes more sense because it's more accurate. And when I used to trade a 5 minutes, 15-minute chart, I used to make so many mistakes, man. It was crazy. But the price, the volatility is just too high, man. It's just too freaking high. So it's difficult to get a very confident trading. But if you're using this stuff, like I said, go to my Twitter page right now and say it again. Go to my Twitter page right now. This is the website. Create your account. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. Copy my prompts. Post it on the bottom left corner. Create your own live trading dashboard. Right here. I'm sorry. This is a website. Create your own AI live trading dashboard. Gives you buy sell signals completely for free. Doesn't cost you anything. Copy this entire prompt, post it in the bottom left corner of the website, hit enter, and once you're done, it will look like this. This is my live trading dashboard. I have my time frames: 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. It tells me the percentage by confidence. It gives me all this info here, right? And yeah, man. It gives me a multi-time frame agreements. Basically, it tells you if the 15 minutes is a buy or sell, 1 hour is a buy right now, 4 hours a buy, daily is sell, weekly is buy. So yeah, man, and a lot more. You see all the indicators. All the indicators get checked. There's a checklist. So there's a bull condition on the left and a bearish condition on the right. So, like for example, my EMA bullish, that's green. My super trend is green. My RSI is in the green. My stochastic RSI is green. My VWAP is at supported green. I have my CCI oversold, cool. ICT structure is also green. EMA above 20 and 50, and I have my the price is in a bullish order block right now, and I also I'm in the liquidity just got swept, so I'm in a buy zone right now. And on the bearish side, there's a lot more, right? It's a lot more indicators here, but all this is free. It's all there for you guys, man, to help you. And also have this one. I didn't include this. I didn't include this in my what's it called? Just extra information, but I mean, you guys don't really need it. But I added three more AI indicators into my live trading dashboard: the Lux Algo, Quantum Algo, and Faber Algo Smart AI. And just information is just crazy, guys. Like it's just nuts to me. Currently, let me see. I'm actually in a trade, right? Yeah. So there's a lot of information, guys. So once you create it, it's look like this, and it can tell you if it's a buy, if it's a sell, whatever it is. Yeah, and you're good to go. I'm a big fan of this stuff, man. I absolutely love this stuff. I'm a big fan, huge fan, because it gives you information that well, the reason I like this stuff a lot is because it gathers all your trading data, combines them into one. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm in a trade right now, 4 hour. My take profit is 79K. We'll see what happens. My stop loss set at 75,000, I believe. Let me check. Yes, my stop loss at 75.5, I think. So we'll see what happens there, guys. Yes, I was gonna talk about so I made a post earlier. Here. So I made a post earlier about some meme coins, man. I don't know if you guys saw it. So I've been tracking. Let me show you guys. I've been tracking some whale wallets, man. And these whale wallets, there are 4 of them. I posted 3 of their addresses like last week, I think. But I listed 4. I'm sorry. I think 5. I think 5 or 6. I listed 5 or 6 meme coins that these whale wallets were accumulated, and so these are the wallets right here. These are 4 wallets. These guys, they got early into a lot of meme coins that's made them $20-30 million or more, man. Crazy. Each 20 million, 10 million, $5 million, yeah, just by buying these meme coins. So the way I see the meme coin, there are 3 ways to do it. The first way, I don't want to do that way. I don't want to do that one. The first way is when people let me see. The first way, where's that tweet? Let me pull out tweet. Let me pull out tweet. Where is it? Here we go, right here. So this is a tweet right here. I'm gonna leave it on the page there. You guys see it. All right, so these 4 wallets have been buying meme coins, and they spent about $50,000 on each of them. So there are 3 ways to play meme coins, right? The first one is you're flipping. You're looking for like the micro caps, right? We're talking about meme coins are basically like 5,000 market cap or 20,000 market cap, like a micro caps. I'm not playing that game. There's no way. Playing that game for me, I can't play that game. The reason why is you have to be on a computer 24/7 per day, right? What I like to do is look for what whales are buying, right? And because what happens is these meme coins that these whales buy, they don't cash out on them in a couple of weeks. That's the game that I'm looking to play, right? I'm looking to play a game where you find these projects when they're fairly low and just leave it alone. Come back in 9 months, come back in a year, come back in a year and a half. That's the game I'm playing. So that way I don't have to actively be killing myself, stressing myself, looking to make money every 2 seconds, and I'm like flipping out, I'm pulling my hair out, man. I'm not doing all that, right? So the first way to play meme coins is you're actively buying the micro cap, 5,000 market cap. There are thousands of them that launch every day, probably hundreds of thousands. I can't play that game. There's no way, right? The only way you could do this, maybe you have some people that hunt for you, and they give you information before they pop off that you can get in. I'm not playing that game. There's no way. The other way to play this, like I said, is look for meme coins that are been around for a while. They've been around for a while. They're not new, and we'll go through some of them here, man. Like I said, I bought a couple, and I'm trying to basically just buy a couple $100 worth of like 5 or 6 of them and just leave it alone. Come back in 6 months or 8 months or a year. Come back. The reason why is because I've seen meme coin do some crazy stuff, and they don't do it overnight, right? It takes a bit longer, right? So I'm going to show you some stuff here. So I tracked a couple of wallets here. You guys can see. Let me retweet this again. It's on my page right now. The most recent tweet. So I said I am tracking 4 whale wallets with high win rates. So meme coins, they are accumulated. So Spike is one of them. UNC, Xavier, Warjack, and Retardio. Those are the 5. There's a lot more, but I can't give you all of them, right? I don't overload you. These are the ones I'm looking at. I've already bought Spike. I bought Xavier. I bought Warjack. Did I buy Retardio already? I don't even remember. I'm not sure. I am not sure. I can't remember. I think I bought it. I think. Let me check real quick. Did I buy Retardio? You know what? I could check. One sec. I'll let you guys know. One second. I am not sure. I'm not sure if I bought Retardio. Let me check real quick. I do have a Jupiter wallet on my phone, so I gotta. Let me see. Okay, so Spike, I have Xavier, I have Warjack, I have. Oh, I didn't buy Retardio. Okay, Retardio, I'm gonna get, and UNC. Okay, so I'm gonna get these things. So basically, Spike. Spike. Let me see. So I'm buying meme coins that have been out for a long time. And the ones that the whales are buying, right? So the way I see it is, if these whale wallets are, they're making millions of meme coins, but they buy them and they wait like 8 months or a year or 2 years to come back and cash out millions. Okay, so so Spike is the first one, and I'm opening up. Hope this shit works. Okay, it works. This is CoinGecko. So I think Spike came out like 2 years ago. And remember, these whale wallets, they just bought it like 5 days ago. So why would an account drop 50, 60K on I think, is that it? Spike, I think this is it. There's so many spikes. I think this is it. There's a lot of clones here. I think, yeah, this is Spike here. Okay, so Spike's market cap is 13 million. 13 million with a liquidity of volume of 2 million. Okay, so this is the Spike. Let me hit max. Oh, actually, I take that back. Spike is fairly new. No, not this one. I meant something else. Spike came out, I think, about 14 days ago, about 2 weeks ago. This is the only new one I bought. Everything else is older. Spike just came out. It just came out. And about 13 million. Let's see. So the reason why I bought this was because I saw 3 whale wallets. They bought Spike, and they bought it. They didn't buy it when it first came out. They bought it like 5 days ago. And I'm like, why is a whale wallet buying this Spike token from that? They didn't, because normally people get into, you have insiders, they buy these meme coins at the very bottom. But this one wasn't like that. This guy dropped $50,000 into a meme coin that just came out 2 weeks ago, and they bought it 5 days ago. So they bought it. Let me. Do I have that? Let me see. I don't have it open up yet. But they bought it when it already started pumping. So either they know something or they don't. But I'm like, who cares? I'm betting on them being right because they've been right before. So if a meme coin goes from 13 million to 130 million. That's a win, right? Now 20 million, no problem. That's a nice 10x or whatever it is. I'll take that win. I got in, I'm up now, right? I'm up, but I didn't put too much money in it. Don't want to risk too much. I only put like a couple $100 in it. But I'm still up now, not too much, but because me tracking these wallets, right? What I saw with them is the way these whale wallets play. They look for meme coins that have been around for a long time, or they look for ones that's newly launched and they just put money in it and leave it alone. So the other one is called UNC. That's another one. So Spike is the first one. Spike is 13 million market cap. It's fairly low. It's basically done it's done about 289% within the last within the last 14 days. In the past 24 hours it's down 14%, so 15% of people taking profits. I bought mine about 7 days ago. I think I bought it around like 9 million market cap or 10 million. Right now it's like 13 million, so I'm just gonna leave it alone, is what it is. So the next one here is UNC. And like I said, because I'm tracking 4 wallets, I'm like, why are these wallets buying these meme coins? I mean, like what do they know that I don't know? And they just bought it. It's one thing if they bought it at the beginning. So I will never do that. No, I will never go, because you're buying their bags, right? But they actually buying it while it's going higher. That's good for me. The next one is UNC. When did this one? I didn't buy this one yet. I'm going to. These things, the market caps are 5 million, 13 million, 7 million. I would rather do those ones because they have a higher chance of succeeding. Because there's a good amount of liquidity in them, and they build a community. The holders are over 2,000 or 5,000 or 10,000, so it's fairly new. So I'm just gonna wait till the chart pops. So for this other one, UNC, I think I haven't bought this one yet. I'm still waiting. I think I'm gonna buy. Like I said, I'm putting a couple $100 in it. Is what it is. Meme coins. Once you buy, just ready for money to go to zero. If you're willing to do that, you're fine. You can't buy meme coins and be afraid of what will happen, right? You have to buy it and just get ready for the worst, right? Basically, or get ready to win. Who knows? The UNC is another one that I saw a couple of whale wallets buying, and they dropped like $15,000-$20,000 in this thing. And they didn't buy it at the bottom; they just bought it recently. So they're buying it when it's down. It's only up. It's only up by like 9. It's down by 9%. It just came out. It's fairly new, also. I believe so. Let me double check. I don't want to. I think it's fairly new. UNC. Hit search. UNC. There we go. Oh boy, look at this. Okay. This thing is done 407%. Market cap of 5 million. So it just came out in April, not that long ago. It's done. Maybe that's the reason why I didn't buy this one, because it already went crazy. But I'm still kind of waiting. The holders on this, the 12,000 holders on this thing, market cap of 5 million, liquidity of 543,000. It's been out for about 2 weeks, man. UNC has. That's not the one that I saw the whale wallets buying this, and they didn't buy it at the bottom. So they bought it when it was fairly high, which means they believe it's going to go a lot higher. And if people are putting 50, 60 grand on a meme coin, they might know something, they might not, who knows, but I'm just kind of following their lead, So next one I have for you guys is Xavier. I did buy this one. Xavier is another one. This one's been around for a while, I think. And like I said before, I saw whales buying this thing. They bought a bunch of it, and they bought at the bottom. So this one has been around. Xavier, let me see. Xavier has been around for 2 years. So I'm like, wait, why are whales buying this meme coin 2 years after it came out. Like what? So this is the game these guys play, right? They buy something, they and just leave it alone. They come back in 6 to 8 months. So a lot of wallets that do well, that was tracking them, their biggest wins came from them buying meme coins much sooner. They bought these meme coins much sooner, and they left it alone. Came back in a year, came back in 2 years, and then have 15 million, 10 million, 20 million in your wallet from one token. That's real stuff, guys. No joke. So, and I'm like, I'm gonna be playing their game. Playing their game, put some disposable income in there, and let time play out. Let things play out, right? That's the game I'm trying to play in. You know what I'm saying? So so the next one for you guys is Xavier. Xavier's been around for 2 freaking years, man. And this one, I was fascinated about this one even more because I'm like, why are whales buying this thing when it's basically dead? The volume on this thing, the 24-hour volume is $4,600. Do you know what I'm saying? This one, there's nobody on this one. So I'm like, I put a couple $100 in it, is what it is. See what happens. 24-hour volume is basically 4,000. But I'm like, why are whales buying this one? Why did they put that much money in this thing? And I think the wallet I saw that bought this, they bought it like a couple of weeks ago, I think. So I put a couple of bucks in it. I'm just gonna leave it. It's 2 years old. See what happens. The next one was Warjack. Warjack has been around for a while too, right? And all these meme coins are all on Solana, by the way. I know there are ETH meme coins there. ETH meme coins are also cool, but Warjack is another one. There's so many of them. Jesus, how you gonna? Okay, I think it's the top one. Maybe not. Let me just see. Is it this one? Where's ETH, right? Warjack. Let me see. Okay, one sec. Let me get the address, man. I want to make sure I got the right one. I know there's Warjack on Sol and there's Warjack on ETH. The one on Sol is one I bought, man. And let's see. Okay. Warjack's another one. A lot of whales were accumulating, and they bought a lot of it. Don't know why. It's been around for a while. Also, this is not a new. This is not a new one. It's been around since a year. It came on 2025. And market cap is like 3 million. Market cap of 3 million is what Warjack is. And I'm like, so it's the one on Sol, not the one on ETH. So maybe it looks like the one on ETH might be a better one. Let me see. Might be. But the whale wallets I was looking at, they bought the one on Sol, not the one on ETH. The one on Solana is the one they bought. So maybe you could buy both just in case, right? Who knows? I'm just giving you what's on the whales wallets I was tracking. Okay, so it's this one. So they bought Warjack. The Warjack has been around for 1 year. And like I said, same thing. They bought Warjack when it was basically down, dead. When nobody's talking about this stuff. Right here, they bought Warjack like down here. So like I said before, who knows what's going to happen in the future. I'm following what the whales are doing. So see what happens. But the way I see it is, these whales, what they do is they buy these dead meme coins and come back in about 6 to 8 months. When the meme coin season is like going off, right? They'll come back and they just make millions of dollars, man. But these things go fast, right? but you basically buy it when nobody wants it anymore. So this one's trading volume is 619,000, market cap of 3 million. So yeah, so this is one I bought, the one on Solana. And the final one here is Retardio. This one also has been around for a while. This might be the lowest market cap one. I think it's about 1 million. And this is another one that I saw that a couple of these whale wallets had in their wallets. They haven't sold yet. And if Retardio goes to $100 million, that's 100x from here right now. Retardio is 1.7 million in market cap. I'm not saying he can. Who the hell knows, right? Who knows, right? Who knows? I have no clue. What I do know is I saw whales buying Retardio in this red section. Look how down it is. They bought Retardio here. So to me, the way I'm thinking, my brain is just shifting a little bit, because what I'm thinking now is I'm watching the way whales are acting, and they're not buying meme coins that popped off, right? They buy dead meme coins, just leave it alone for a month or a year and come back and they sell them. So I'm not saying you're gonna make money. I'm not saying you're gonna lose money. All I'm saying is I'm showing you what I'm doing, and that's what I've always done. If I have alpha, I share it. As you guys know, airdrops is what I used to do basically, but I kind of fell off airdrop game, and because of the difficulty, things change compared to what it used to be. I'm not saying you can make money in airdrops. No, I'm saying that I prefer to have more control. For me, airdrops, you don't have control. You could farm a project for like 6 months and get $30, $100. You could put 50K into one project and get $100 airdrop, or you can farm for free and get 100K airdrop. Who the hell knows, right? But what I do know is I don't have a lot of control. I don't like not having control. I want control. So me controlling what I have, it makes me more focused, right? If that makes sense. That's just for me, right? So trading I like. Then I also like the meme coin game where you could buy something when nobody wants it and just come back later, right? And another alpha for you guys, I spoke about this already. Buying, like for example, I have like Penguin market cap is like 500 million or something like that, and I have a I have an okay amount of it. I bought some at the dip, whatever, but it's up 14% today. Penguin's market cap is a little bit heavier, so you guys could play meme coin games that are safer. So meme coins are safer are any ones that are above 500 million. 500, just say, I just say the safe meme coins above 500 million. So above that, you might not get those massive gains, right? But you could get like a 5x or 8x or 10x, right? So not as much risk, and they're very slow. So don't expect you to make a lot of money on these ones. Market cap for Pengu is 644 million. So, you're not going to make a lot of money on something that's, if it does a 10x from here, that's $6.4 billion, man. I mean, I'm not saying he could do that, yes. What I'm saying is you can't make a lot of money from Pengu. I do have a lot of Pengu, but, so you don't play safe. Meme coins above 500 million should be the ones you could play with. But Penguins don't well, right, so far. So let me go here. So you want to play safe. The bigger whales that put in hundreds of $1,000s of meme coins or millions, they buy these ones. They look for the big dogs, right? The big dog meme coins. They will buy Dogecoin, 15 billion market cap, SHIB, 4.8 billion, Pepe 1.6 billion, Pengu 644 million, Bonk 554 million, SPX 6000 is 350 million. Foki, so right, all these meme coins are like heavyweights, right? So these ones you could do well with them, right? Yeah, sure. You have Dog with Hat, 177 million. This Dog with Hat, I think it hit $10, man. Yeah, so it might be a good one to look at too. So there's a couple of them, man. There are a couple of them. I think you guys could take a look at. Yeah. So, and the very last thing before we end the show here, one more thing. I was going to say something about something. Yes, Murad. The very last one here is you guys could take a look at the Murad. So go to CoinGecko and type in Murad picks. The Murad picks. These gives you they call it meme coin Jesus. That's his name. Meme coin Jesus. That's his name. The Murad picks. So these are the Murad picks here. You have SPX 66900, Hopcats, another one, Mug is another one, Harry Potter, Obama Sonic Inu is another one, Giga Chad, Apu, American Coin, Retardio, Retardio, Locked In is another one, Mini, and Skibidi Toilet, right? So this is another one. These meme coins are down massively, right? So, and you have for example, like I said, if you bought the ones that 1 million in market cap, like for example, Locked In is 1.2 million. If it gets to 100 million, that's 100x. Retardio is 1.7, gets 100 million, that's 100x. Yeah. You have Skibidi Toilet is like 200,000 market cap. You buy this one, you just a little bit. If this thing gets to 100 million, that's 1,000x. That's 1,000x. If it gets to like 200 million, that's 1,000x, guys. So opportunities are here. You know, I like meme coins that have been around for a while, and they have whales that have them. If that makes sense. Whales have a lot of money in these things, man. Even though they might be down, sure, but the ones that the whales buy and they're down, those are the ones I want to have in my portfolio. So I'm stacking up a bunch of memes. My goal is to own like maybe like 10 of them. 10 right now. I've been accumulating a couple already. I'm still tracking the whale wallets, just trying to see how they position. But I'm oh, am I frozen? Smokes. Am I frozen? I can't tell. Oh, smokes. I think I'm frozen. Okay. Here we go. Sorry. Yeah, so those are meme coins I've talked about. I made a tweet about this today. The ones I'm looking at directly, so this is them right there. But there's a lot more, right? So I do have Pengu. I'm trying to get more. I did buy Spike. I did buy Xavier, Wojak, Retardio. I want to add a couple of more to it. And just buy it and just leave it alone. Come back in a couple of months. Because we haven't had a meme coin season yet. We haven't had that yet. Whenever we do, the problem is people get there too late. So I don't want to play the game of trying to find, one meme coin out of like 60,000. I want to find the ones that have been out for a while, that the whales are buying. Because these ones are the ones whales bought. And they bought them when it was going up. They didn't buy them at the bottom, right? So which means either they know something or they don't, right? I think they know something because the 4 wallets I was tracking, these 5 meme coins are in their wallets. So guys, let me end this show here. And like I said, don't forget the let me go back again. Don't forget the what's it called? Don't forget the trading AI platform that I talked about. Let me bring it back up, man. It's on my Twitter page. Just scroll down and you can find it. But I'm going to show you. Okay, this is it right here. This is it. So create your own AI trading platform. It is absolutely free. This is not no referral link. I found this a couple weeks ago and I've been using it. It's absolutely nuts. But all you have to do is click this link here. Sign up. It's free. It's absolutely free. You don't also cost you anything. I don't make money off this. I'm doing this for you guys. So click the link. Create your accounts with the email. Copy my this is my prompts. Copy this prompt. Paste it in the bottom left corner of the website. Once you're done, it will look like this. This is what it will look like. And this is a live trading platform. It tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to take profits. It tells you the percentage of win right now. On my trade, there's a 57% confidence and a 52% win rate. I placed the trade already, and based on this, I'm already up. I think I don't remember. Let me check. I'm up 3.2% right now currently. If I sell now, I'm making a good amount of profit right now if I sold. But we'll see. So let me show you guys real quick. Where'd you go? So yeah, this way it looks like, and it tells you take profits, stop loss. It tells you when to buy. This is my 4-hour time frame. It gives you your time frame. This is the 4-hour. Let me look at the daily. The daily says wait. The 1 hour says buy. 15 minutes says wait. So go back to 1 hour. So go all the way down. It tells you. Look. So what I did was my entire prompt, right? I got a list of the best indicators for trading, and I combined all of them. And what the AI did was it combined all of them, and it used that information to give me buy and sell signals. So I'm using all these indicators. Look at that. I have the all these indicators combined. I have the EMA, the super trend, the MACD, the RSI. I have the stochastic RSI. I have the wave trend. I have the VWAP. I have the squeeze. I have the ADX trend. I have Williams. I have CCI, or I have ICT. I have most of my EMAs again. I have my order blocks. I have my fair value gaps. I also have my liquidity sweeps. In addition to that, I now have I now added 3 more AI indicators on top of this, which I use the Lux Algo indicator, the Quantum Algo, and also the Fib Algo. All this is for free, and I put it into this AI platform, and it created this for me. Yeah. So what I do is I don't trade short time frames. I use the 4-hour, and the daily, because the higher time frames gives you higher win rates, right? So that's basically what I'm doing, man. You know what I mean? So far, I haven't really lost yet. So far, I've been getting very good, especially when we get a strong dip. Because remember, Bitcoin went to 80K, touched 80K, I think. We crashed to 76 something, and I took a long at 76.5. And right now we're at we're currently Bitcoin price is at 77.2. So I'm up nicely right now. I could take profit right now and make some nice good gains right now, just from using this AI trading thing. Because my goal, like I said, is to be making a couple thousand per month trading. But what I'm doing is I'm still playing with this stuff. I'm still messing around with it. But this stuff actually works. And like I said, I like to share information with you guys, and this is what I'm basically doing right now, man. So try it out for yourself. It's absolutely free. The link is on my page. Scroll down. It's this link right here. You see it right here. You just click this link, create an account, and copy my prompt, paste in the bottom left corner, and you customize this however you want. However you want. Customize this stuff, and you're done. All right, guys. Let me end the show, man. Let me go. We've been on for like an hour, right? That's the end spot there. So, guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'll see you guys again later. I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure out the time. My schedule is pretty rough, man. So I'm trying to figure out the best time to do the show. So when I go live, I'll let you guys know. So thank you for coming to the show, and I'll see you guys again later, man. Let me always take my screenshot for you guys. Let me take my screenshot, man. So let me take my screenshot for you guys real quick. All right, done. So guys, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bless you and have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys again later.